In this video I show you an unboxing of the Sandisk Extreme Pro 200 megabytes per second SD card. This is a 256 gigabyte speed, 200 megabytes per second Extreme Pro from Sandisk. UHS1 card is not a type 2, the 300 and up. Those are more expensive. This was a pretty good deal, 200 megabytes per second. We'll see about that, if it's megabits and how it can reach 200. The package is made with recycled materials. The standard is V30, not very exciting. 256 giga. Not sure if I said mega earlier, but it's 256 giga. A memory card SD UHS1 SDHC. It's one row of pins, not two rows like the higher speed ones, the UHS2. Now first we start to see lower speeds. The write speed is 140, but it's expected. A lot of disclaimers here about what is 1 gigabyte and 1 gigabit. Here I thought it was like a security sticker, but it's just the operating temperature. Product ID, that's the product number and the barcode. I guess the serial number is also somewhere there. And it also comes with a license for Rescue Pro Deluxe, but it's for 2 years. Yeah, the box doesn't seem to be ever opened. That's reassuring, I guess. I'm not really sure if it's original, but it's I'm about 80% sure it's original. I hope it is, really. It opens a bit too easily here, but okay, I guess it's made so that you don't have to fight it too much. I was very glad that they had a cardboard paper packaging, but yeah, there is also a bit of plastic in there. And these are some instructions. For France, I guess there are some regulation requirements there to have packaging, disposal, recycling instructions. That's great. This is yours if you're the first. Yeah, if you see this video and you need for Rescue Pro Deluxe. Yeah, if you need this license, you can use it. I'm not gonna use it. Hopefully someone else didn't use it before you. I'm not sure if they will invalidate each other if someone else tries to use it. Try to use it if you need it. Rescue Pro recovery software from media. I never needed the recovery software like this, and I hope I don't need it. Yeah, I guess it's useful sometimes. The packaging is pretty simple. There is just a foil. I really like that the memory card comes in its own case, and the best thing is that it's one of those slim SD card cases, not the thick ones. Nice. You can put this in your camera bag, in your mobile phone. Well, it's not really for mobile, this is for a camera. If you need it for a mobile, you should get a micro SD card, the SD card, but a really tiny one. This is for cameras and any device that needs accepts an SD card instead of micro SD. The writing on the card seems okay. Yeah, that's just a box, nothing special about it. Serial number, made in China. No signs of use. Yeah, you don't see any lines or scratches on the contacts there. Made in China. When they tested at the factory, they have contact points inside the SD card to test it, so they don't have to insert it somewhere to check it. And if there is no markings on the contacts, it means it was never inserted in a camera or in a device. That's the locking pin in case you can't save any files to the drive, to the flash drive, to the SD card. Check that this pin is, oops, dropped it. Check that pin is in the top position, that is unlocked. When it's lowered, it will lock the card and you can't write on it. It's for safety of the files on the card. Hope this is helpful. I will make a few tests with this card and let you know how it goes. I got this for our new camera, the Lumix S5. It needs a good card, but it doesn't really need one of those fast cards, the UHS 2 cards, 300 megabits per second. This one is good enough. Actually, even a slower one would have been good enough. 256 should be more than enough. Thanks for watching.